The rain just stopped a little bit. Well, actually, it stopped. I just got a tornado warning on my phone. I've been in a tornado warning for the last hour, but one just flashed on my phone. So I'm coming out front because it's coming from the south to see what I can see. Because a tornado warning, somebody spotted one in my area, and I don't see a tornado. Let's see if I can walk out here without getting totally the clouds don't look nice, but a tornado can happen. That over there looks like it's a big possibility. I'm getting rained on right now. It's just a light drizzle. But wind calmed down. But we got more bands coming in. The skies of Laura. Bye for now.